Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. It's all about cryptocurrencies. In the last few weeks, we've seen Bitcoin heading towards another record. Ethereum as well, trying to top their November 2021 record, hitting above 4,600 yesterday, and it's still looking very, very bullish. Got it on the charts at the moment that we're just, as I said, just trying to get towards 48.80, that kind of region. So not too far to go, just a couple of $100, even less than that, before we can top another milestone. And what is causing this? Well, two of the biggest Ethereum reserve companies announced major purchases of the assets, and we've seen millions of dollars of inflows into not only Ethereum but Bitcoin in general. So we're just seeing now that price action is taking quite a big turn, even further higher. So where can we go from here? So I just wanted to point out the last time we had a record peak was in November 21. But since then, as I said, such a bullish trajectory on Ethereum. You know, we usually talk about Bitcoin as the first big high impact news event, market mover that there is. But Ethereum has really, really caught the attention of a lot of traders in the last few weeks. We're just seeing what is a slight concerning, heavy bearish divergence on the RSI. This is on the daily chart, but let's just take a look on the 4-hour chart, because we are seeing a little bit more of an inflow of potential downturn, because the near-term consensus is that there is a bearish pullback coming. We'll just wait and see how much it's going to be. But you know, if we can hold above 4,600 or even 4,500, then we can get another upturn towards at least 47, and then potentially to a new record high above towards 4,900, which would be very, very seismic. It would be just another milestone in the cryptocurrency world, since we've seen this rally continuing on and on and on for the last few years, getting higher and higher. So tensions do turn to Bitcoin, because we are seeing a bit of a spike from the last record high that we saw. So this was a bit of a false spike on the day. We had another test a couple of days ago on this particular area, but since then price action hasn't really reversed too much. We are seeing a bullish trajectory still. If we go to the 4-hour chart just very, very quickly, as I said, we are seeing wave after wave of upside potential, and you know, not too many pullbacks. You know, a bit of a consolidation zone here before we had this monumental move, slight downturn, but now we are steadily creeping higher. So it'll be a case of, are we going to hit above 122k, and are we going to keep on moving higher? We'll have to wait and see. But because the Donald Trump regime, the administration, are very crypto friendly from his inauguration, we saw this announcement that Bitcoin did move towards 100k. Now it's above 120k. So we are still, we're just trading around that zone as we speak, but we are looking at another move higher in the near term as well. Much like Ethereum, we did see a bearish divergence, but that's pretty much been cancelled out now, because price action has dropped a bit low. As you can see here, it is moving with the trend. So if we do have another spike towards the overbought area in the RSI, we could see a slight pullback before another potential move to the upside. So this will be very, very exciting for crypto traders. Crypto in general, as it has kept on, well, the price has kept on giving, and apparently the rumors are that we will hit 150k by the end of the year. Let's see if that does happen. But as always, we'll bring you all the latest in technicals and fundamentals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.